Right, so a very windy Lydden hill for the Lord of Lydden. This is my steed for the weekend. It's 2014 CBR 600 in pretty much stock mode, including the horn that works. But I've only got one set of wheels, so I'm choosing one tyre and that's it today. So we're going for wets and hoping for rain, which I reckon will happen. Over here we got Phil Baker's R6. We're all mates, so it's all been a bit of a jolly. Jason Siggs is R6. This is Jason Siggs himself.
All right, mate.
All right, mate. All right, mate.
All right.
And then, obviously, Jake. We worked together, so he had a bit of an off yesterday. There will be a photo of that. It's on Lydden Hill's website, up in the air. So that'll be quite impressive. It's not too bad, mainly bodywork damage. Mickey Mills on another R6 and his brother. Yeah, and here comes the rain. So I think I've made the right choice. This was my wet that I was running in the dry yesterday. So you can see pretty much why I couldn't catch Jake. We had a bit of a battle early on, and then the back was just sliding around. So I thought, no, let's not push it too much, because that will be going off. We've pulled the awning down for the merch, so there won't be any merch today. There's Mickey, there's Dave. No, that's what when I was doing it, I'm almost wondering, is it worth putting heat in? But I suppose
no, thanks to me. Get your rims warm then, didn't you?
That's true.
Right, you good? We'll
yeah.
Can you see? Oh, yeah, we're going the right way. Yeah. I'm a mechanic, I am.
Between us will be alright, won't we? How's that looking?
Yeah, go on. Come on.
Where's that GT85, brother? Where's your wheel change, brother?
Sorry, it's wrong here. Oh no, sorry. Yeah, you can pull that through, didn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, 1 minute 29 to swap a tyre around.
Pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cheers, mate.
That's an F1 pit stop, as you know it.
That was.
Fucking hell, is that a newie?
He's going for it today.
You can see that's what's my gasoline.
Huh?
What's that on that one?
A temporary tyre for the van.
Yep.
Might as well just put these warmers on this one.
This weekend. Punches everywhere.
No, doggy.
Change that rear. It tastes the same when it costs.
Alright, Summer. Come to help.
Oh, it tastes the same when it costs.
Something like that.
The old school swamp coming out.
Yeah.
Oh
Got back in the swing of it yesterday.
He had some pace.
Pace on the boy.
Yeah.
Stop.
Need a merc.
I'll go get it.
You good?
Yeah.
Back nut, done up, all good, yeah, good.
Out of the way,
So this fight is in vain, but he flies past nice 30th place result there. And again, 154, 971.